Welcome to the AFI Online portal. Here I'll walk you through the various features of your online account. Once you've logged in the top right hand corner of the AFI Rentals homepage, you'll see a My Account button. Click the button to take you to your online account. On the left you can see you have a range of options, such as on hire, awaiting collection, future bookings, previous hires, your quotes, and much more. But for now we'll jump into the machines on hire. If you have any machines on hire, you can export them as an Excel sheet or a PDF for ease of use, which goes for all of these as well. And here you can see a previous machine on hire. This is just an example, but you can click into it and see all the details, including the loader certificate and the invoice for this machine. You can also view any quotes you have, and here you can accept or decline them. In your account details, as well as your account number, credit limit, if applicable, and address, you can see all the people registered to your account. If you want others to be able to view your contracts, request quotes, or do any of the other AFI Online functions, you don't have to password share with them, as they can just create their own profile. You can also see invoices, any credit notes you might have, disputes, and notifications. And if you click our supplier information, you can view our publicly available company information. This contains information like insurance details, our health and safety record, our environmental record, as well as key points of contact and other things. We hope this helps.